food chains representative for Delhi round the road. Some straight out of Florida. You know Matty. You know a food chain just said that. Like, share and subscribe. You know a Matty and a food chain just said that.
What's up YouTube? Yeah, I'm there, I make a little video. But yeah, showing one little table I made for my wife. To be exact, a makeup decks. Kinda fancy, yes, after I done paint everything, but boy, I tell you now, it's tough. Me almost give up. So me almost give up. I put it in the jar them. First time put it in a jar, right? I make table, everything. But with this one, yo, give me a fight, man, I tell you. Me almost give up on them. I say, you know what? Don't give up. Diller in the road, don't give up. You're a fighter. I did them, go on my belly, but yo, you guys will see it. I'm gonna upload it right now. So yeah, as soon as we get home, I'm close to home right now still. But yeah, you guys gonna see it. Alright, so stay tuned. Hold the drill. No. Give me this. Alright, you're gonna screw right here. Wait. In this hole, you're gonna screw it. Wait. I tell her when you're ready.
I'm gonna do these.
Alright, ready?
I know how to use this. Go.
Alright, ready? Take your time. Screw. Alright, hold it, stop.
Can I do the screwing?
Alright, you're gonna hold this. Yeah, that they're gonna do. You hold it. So we're making a draw.
Okay.
So Cece's helping, Elijah's helping. Alright. Hold up. Stay right there. No, don't hit none over here.
I'm gonna do this one.
Alright, Cece, all right there. All this like all this. No, you hold this, all right there. Yeah. Don't screw it, you hold it. Hold it, all right here. Yeah, don't move.
Okay. Do I cut it?
No. Yeah. Wait, Cece, wait.
Okay.
Alright. Hold it, just hold it. Yeah, hold it, yeah, like that. No, you don't screw it. Hold it, just hold it. Put your hand on it. Cece, I say you're not gonna do no screwing. Daddy gonna do the screwing.
Okay, come on.
No, stay right you are. Come, hold it like that. Yeah, just hold it like that. You hold it?
Yeah.
Alright, Daddy gonna screw.
This is shape.
Don't move it, baby. Can't get out now. So earlier me I see in the from one jaw. Finally get right this in. I say. So yeah. I say. Alright, so when I finish it, but that's a show no. So that's just one. First I put in one jaw, I never know what to do. Never know how to get it in, boy. So that's it, I say. Alright, so on the soon see the rest of it, I have already cut them there. Over so I cut some more. Alright, now I put that part here. So this is framing I make right. That's it, I say. So also I go on. So this is be framing. But when I don't know so I go on. We're gonna step by step. Alright. So I drop on that panel now. Drop on everything here, so fix up. So I'm gonna set it tight where CC, so when the mother put it in stuff them, CC can draw you out, isn't it? It's very creative, you know. You know them pin love take out the stuff. Alright, so everything good, everything mucho. Alright. So you see peeps, the one jaw done. Come on. Paint there, if you paint him up, you know. Lock him up now. Then slamming this up. Yeah, man, I eat that, man. Anytime I want something to build on this bookie general. Alright, so the second one there. You see me, sir? I just say again, they make it that way so CC can really pull it out, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you have to know how to pull it. Alright, so when we're done with that one, then we're not gonna see it. Let's go add on right to Twitter now. Alright. Alright, so we just put on the other jar. Then we have the kids them some of you up and down with them. So see. Very good. All these things. Alright, so I'm gonna seal off right so now. Obviously I could be another jar. That's one that are decks. You know this thing go. Yeah. Painting time and now. The party tomorrow. Bad light I come. Kids some more play. So it take me so long.
Come on. You ready? 1, 2.
Put a little baseboard on the bottom or so. Alright, so this is finishing but not paint up yet. So I add on an extra drop on it. Yeah, everything mucho caliente. Alright. No, you have to go to the job. No, you have to go to the job for painting. Piece of your kitchen a while ago, no? Piece of your kitchen a while ago. Yeah, so I done the job. I'm hire somebody to do painting tonight. Yeah. Remember what I said? When everything done, you will see what I'm going. I'm going to do painting now. Alright, so this is finishing. Draw them over there, so. Everything I done clean up it, but no mind them little stuff there, isn't it? Yeah. Hey, don't kick your ball across the road, okay? Yeah. So pink and blue, my wife spray it and my wife spray. But me do make it and thing. So see, she want. So yeah.
I asked him if he can bring it over here, so he said he can.
So that's basically a makeup decks. Baby, how kind of decks I make? How kind of decks I say? Makeup decks? Come instruct me and tell what I want.
You're done, Uncle?
Makeup this.
Yep.
We do a blue and pink. Because I didn't just want pink. My daughter's is in pink. I'm going to want her to tell me say I fear one because it's pink.
She just say all of the shit like the blue.
Yes, if I pick a color, she going to tell me say she don't like the color. So she don't come try to take over my desk. I put the pink on the inside.
It's
and
still
the blue
wet
on
though.
the outside. Huh?
Alright.
Yes, still wet.
I told
So
Tissy, I was
like, share and
okay,
subscribe.
I like
Daily
it.
on the road.
She was like, hi.
Alright, so that the finishing. Draw them in.
They don't make them.
Sandra, put the stool on, so put the stool on, so baby. Put the stool on, so baby.
This?
Yeah, man.
Still dry.
Put the stool right there. So, yeah.
This should have been blue matches stool.
No, you tap on the stool. Yeah, alright. No, I'm not gonna spray rock over the. I'm not gonna spray the pink and the blue, no.
I was gonna do.
But I don't know why you never do it.
I was.
Alright, so yeah, that's the
That's
finishing.
why I made something that is.
Garage kind of full up, so we don't really want to. You know what I say? Yeah. But yeah, that's the ending. Yeah, we did a pretty job. My wife painted, so me give her credit. Cause yo, me not lie, if I make some draw, it complicated peeps. Isn't it? Yeah, it complicated. So this one kind of different making from this one right so. Yeah, but yeah, it kind of complicated people. They almost give up. I decide say yo, me push on, you know. But yeah. Alright, next one will be better. But this still look good.
Yes. It does.
So yeah. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
It should be fully dry by
So
tomorrow.
Daily Running Road. Out and bad.
My dad should be here.
Alright, so that's the finishing, that's the full of it.
Uncle, since my dad can't bathe us, you're the big one. Can I touch it now?
Yeah.
Oh, you're so spiky. Okay, let's just go.
Baby? Yes, sir? Yes, peeps, hope you like that video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Tell me what you think. Like, comment, and subscribe to who? Daily Running Road. As the man say. Alright? Yeah. Mad thing. I'm out.